All right, what do you get when you cross science and a trip to a roller derby match? A very revealing study about the way bacteria travels from one person to another. KEZI 9 News reporter Stacey Kafka joins us live in the studio to explain. Stacey?
The Emerald City Roller Girls team from Eugene was one of the groups swabbed for research, along with a team from Washington, D.C. and the Bay Area of California. Researchers found these players were sharing more than shoves on the court. They were also exchanging bacteria. The Emerald City Roller Girls compete against players from all over the country. This came in hand for one former teammate.
She decided to take advantage of a tournament that we held for the first time last year and compare the microbes of the teams of 3 different teams that are from different parts of the country.
A team of researchers swabbed players before and after a tournament to see what bacteria they found on their skin.
And we swabbed the upper arms of these women, and then they went through a bout, and then after the bout, what we saw is that they had been mixing bacteria during the bout.
Players say it's a very high contact sport.
So we are allowed to make contact with pretty much from mid-thigh to shoulder on players, same basic location, mid-thigh to shoulders.
So they're constantly running into people. But researchers say although most people don't play roller derby,
it's an idea of healthy people sharing whole communities of microbes, which is what we do all of the time.
They can use this study to find out how every human interaction changes our genetic makeup.
All of us as humans are always covered in bacteria. We've got trillions of bacteria on our skin, in our guts, and our mouths, and yet we know very little about what they're doing and where we come up with them.
The researchers are already studying the next step, which is finding out just how long these microbial changes stay on your skin once you get in contact with someone else. Live in the studio, Stacey Kafka, KEZI 9 News.